Hey ladies and gentlemen, how are you? Guess what? I'm here to unveil the new look of the Hema bottle and ta-da! There you go, bigger and better. This has been the small one, 500 mils, and this is 650 mils, guys. Isn't that wonderful? Bigger and better. Akachupa ka Hema akapia. Kaliku 650 mil, and guess what? It has my picture. Can you see my picture? So to all my fans out there, grab yourself a bottle of Hema water. Yes, because Hema water, I want nyota. Hema water, Hema water, Hema water, I want nyota. Hey, okoze nyokoye. Inkalamate kukute Hema water Tikula sumulula Byone byansibo weda Sinsitira nyiga Abalunji mwena mwe kumire
Ku NEKOZ TV, you know what it is. Subscribe wala baby singa
Original Benja Toba suwa
Yo, my people, what's up? It's your boy Eddie Kenzo with my boy Original Benja.
Subscribe on NEKOZ TV.